This is a custom bike rack for my CBR250R by Honda. Large items can be strapped on. This shows the final product after some modifications. It's got many places for locks and straps. It was made to mount the Givi top box. There are many areas for clips as well. There's room here for my motorcycle cover. The wires connect to my top box lighting. You can see I wanted the top box to not stick out too far at the back. The grab rails are replaced with the rack. Grab rails have seat rests, so the rack must have rests as well. The rests must sit at a specific angle. Pieces of steel are cut and positioned. Steel plates are angled to simulate the rests. Dental plaster holds the pieces in place. The rack is unbolted and the plaster area is welded. Plaster holds the angle and it's also withstanding very high heat. Once welded, the plaster is removed. We continue welding all angles and pieces. This curved section joins the two sides. Going back in time, this shows the production of the rack. The height is determined using these pieces of steel. We used an old bicycle rack which was cut up. All different angles were used. This was acrylic holding the piece to weld. Acrylic didn't withstand the welding heat. Clamps hold pieces in place to weld. The rack is attached at 4 stable points. We test fit the top box base. The original design is completed. This design worked well but was later changed. The vertical flat bars were changed. We modified the side bars. This allows a different rear cowl to replace the rear seat. This shows the rests for the rear seat. This is the standard rear seat. This is the fiberglass rear cowl. This is the rear cowl after I painted it. So once again, fragile and bulky items can be wrapped and strapped on. Thanks for watching.